Privacy matters. It's good to question how your data is collected and used online. With Uber Teen accounts, you may have some questions about your privacy. Questions like, what data does Uber collect? Well, there's the basic stuff. To set up a Teen account, a parent or guardian must provide your name, date of birth, and mobile number. Uber collects ride data too, including pick-up and drop-off locations from the driver's phone, the route, and any communication you have with the driver via the app. Which is good to know. But you're probably wondering, how does Uber use this data? Well, Uber uses it to provide you with rides, helping you get from where you are to where you want to be. Things like feedback, driver ratings, and communications are used to improve user experiences. Uber also uses data for marketing, research, and development. It's important to note that some data is automatically shared with your parent. This includes your live trip tracking and your trip history. Of course, you do have some control of your data. So how can you manage your privacy in your Uber Teen account? In your privacy settings, you can decide your other data preferences. You can also learn more by exploring and downloading your personal data. If you have any more questions, you can find the answers in the Uber Teens privacy notice.